Hi everyone, welcome back to another video of Honey Web Designer. In this video, we will learn about JavaScript comments. So first we discuss what is JavaScript comments. In JavaScript, a comment is a piece of text that is ignored by the JavaScript interpreter and is used for providing explanations, notes, or annotations within the code. Comments do not affect the execution of the code, they are purely for the benefit of developers and anyone who reads the code. Next, we discuss why comments is useful. First is documentation. Comments help developers document their code. They can explain the purpose of a particular piece of code, provide instructions, or describe the reasoning behind a specific approach. Second, debugging. Comments can be used to temporarily disable or comment out lines of code during debugging without actually removing them from the code base. This is helpful for isolating and identifying issues. Third is collaboration. Comments make it easier for multiple developers to collaborate on a project by providing context and explanations for code that may not be immediately obvious. Fourth is code readability. Well-placed comments can improve the readability of code, making it easier for developers, including yourself, to understand and maintain the code in the future. Fifth is code annotations. Comments can serve as placeholders for future code additions or reminders for tasks that need to be completed. Next, we discuss types of comments. So, we have two types of comments: single-line comments and multi-line comments. First we discuss single-line comment. Single-line comments are used to add comments on a single line of code. They start with 2 forward slashes and continue until the end of the line. Anything following in forward slash on the same line is considered a comment and is not executed by the JavaScript engine. Here is an example. Second is multi-line comments. Multi-line comments are used to add comments that span multiple lines. They are enclosed between /* and */. Everything between these delimiters is treated as a comment and is not executed. Here is an example. Next, we see the practical example. So, I have opened my code editor. Here, I have index.html file, and in this file I have one h1 tag. In browser you can see I get some output. In head tag I write some JavaScript code. So, I want to hide the hello world output from the browser. For this, one way we can remove this line of code. But here I use a single line comment to hide the output on the browser. Before document.write I write /sign. Now, you can see our code color will be changed, this means this line turn into comment. And in browser you can see I don't show any hello world output. So next I use multi-line comment. So for that first I use / and asterisk, and when I close the comment I use asterisk and /. Here, you can see our 2-line convert into comments. And in browser we don't show any JavaScript code output. If you find this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. You can also follow me on Instagram, LinkedIn, and Patreon for more tips and tricks. Link in description.